Introducing the Westermann WS800 Vario, the next generation of walk-behind cleaning technology for modern livestock environments. Engineered and manufactured in Germany, the WS800 Vario sets a new standard for efficiency, durability and operator comfort where scraping muck is required. Designed with both ease of use and convenience in mind, this innovative machine delivers outstanding results, quietly, cleanly and completely emission-free. Today we have fitted the adjustable 800 to 1600mm pushing scrape, but other attachments are available to view on our website. The WS800 Vario easily navigates through narrow passages and awkward areas, ensuring thorough cleaning even in confined spaces. Its precision design leaves floors free of slurry, feed and bedding, maintaining a safe and hygienic environment for livestock and staff alike. Powered by a robust 800-watt electric motor, the WS800 Vario provides up to 100 minutes of continuous operation on a single charge. Its dependable battery system includes a high-quality electric charger with integrated overload protection, ensuring reliable performance and long service life. The intuitive thumb throttle offers smooth forward and reverse control through its axle, enabling precise manoeuvrability at speeds of up to 7 km/h. This ease of use control makes it ideal for daily use in busy farm environments where reliability and responsiveness are essential. Each attachment is designed for quick installation and effortless operation, ensuring maximum productivity and minimal downtime. The WS800 Vario's rugged construction and premium materials guarantee long-term durability, even under demanding agricultural conditions. Efficient, quiet and built to last, the Westermann WS800 Vario, redefining modern methods with German engineering excellence.